Hello guys, this is Sick Automobile. So today I'm working on a Chevy Volt that I got from the auction. So what exactly is wrong with this vehicle is that I'm replacing, basically the suspension on this side. So I had to replace the lower control arm, the axle, what else? Basically the lower control arm, the axle, and the oil, the coolant cooler. So I'll walk you guys through this because most times it's hard for me to hold on to the camera and as put you guys through on how I did it one by one after the other. So basically here is an 18 millimeter nut, the 18 millimeter socket. So what you do is when you put the 18 millimeter socket right here, then you put like a wrench here to hold on to it so that it doesn't turn around. So here is this here too, 18, 18. So before you be able to access this bolt right here, you have to take out these. You have to use the cover that covers the cooler. So what you do is it has three 10 millimeter bolts. So this is number one, number two, and at the back here, right. Let me bring the camera right here. You have to fill it with your hand, 3, so that you can be able to access this bolt right here. Without it, this bolt is not gonna come out. Yeah. So I'll send you guys another video on how I remove the axle. Hope this video helps you. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Chevy Volt 2012. Thank you. Bye bye. Hey guys, so Sick Automobile here. So so on this axle, it has 3 bolts that you have to take out. So this is 1, 2, and in here, somewhere here, 3. So be careful when you taking out the bolts, because there are 3 different bolts. So you mark them where you removed anyone from. So once you do that, you put this, then it's kind of hard holding the camera. I'll show you guys, so let me have my buddy hold the camera. So right here, you put this axle on. Yeah, this is it. 18 millimeter.
9 millimeter head jack.
18 millimeter. I think. Yeah, so 18 millimeter, you do it this way, then the lower control, the inner tie rod, outer tie rod, then you loosen it, tight it back, put on the caliper. It's a 10 wrench. This is it. 10. Loosen it. That's it. So hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.